Morning, guys. I'm just gonna do my meditation because I wasn't able to do that before the stream.
Reduction. Sit or lay comfortably, resting your hands on your legs or at your sides. Begin to focus your attention on your breathing, feeling your chest move gently inward and outward. Your mind may be racing with uncomfortable or fearful thoughts, and that's okay. Just continue to breathe naturally and effortlessly. Feel the air flow gently in and out of your nostrils, and feel a soothing lightness throughout your body, flowing from the top of your head all the way down to the tips of your toes, gently and effortlessly. As you slowly and gradually create this awareness, repeat after me, either out loud or in your mind. Each time counting down from 5 to 1 and stating stillness, awareness after each number. Repeating after me. 5, stillness, awareness. 4, stillness, awareness. 3, stillness, awareness. 2, stillness, awareness. 1, stillness, awareness. Remember, you are not these unpleasant feelings. You have overcome them in the past, and you will rise above them again, ever changing. If the feelings stay with you for some time, it's okay. Time and awareness will allow it to fade. Time and awareness will allow it to fade. And now one last time, nice and slowly, repeating this time, calm and present. 5, calm and present. 4, calm and present. 3, calm and present. 2, calm and present. 1, calm and present. Sit with your feelings, whatever they are, at this moment for just a few more moments. Feel the air moving slowly in and out. Your chest moving gently up and down, and effortlessly you become aware. Peace will return. You're becoming aware again and again. remain in stillness and allow yourself to let go.
Lovely. Lovely, 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 lovely. Man, I'm not stopped. I was meditating. Did you guys not hear the meditation happening? Good morning, Sasta. Good morning, Aaron. Good morning, Med. Good morning, Baguette Boy. Good morning, good morning, good morning, guys. Let's watch a video to get ourselves pumped and ready.
I don't care who you are. Life's gonna punch you in the face.
Sometimes life will take you to your knees. Sometimes you have to cry. Sometimes will hurt deep inside. In time of adversity, you don't have an obstacle to deal with. You have a choice to make.
You can suffer, or you can choose to do whatever you need to do to liberate yourself, whatever you need to do to reinvent yourself, whatever you need to do to overcome whatever you are stuck in right now. It does not have to be your residency.
You keep standing. No matter how rough the sea, you keep standing. No matter what, you don't give up. You keep standing. No matter what.
You got to be bold in life, ladies and gentlemen. If you're not bold, if you're not standing up inside yourself, if you're not willing to call into being the highest and the strongest that's within you when you're facing life's challenges, life will trample you. But see, when you discover the truth of this goodness, this power that you have within you, that truth will set you free from ever being a victim in life. That truth will enable you to handle things with a level of equanimity that will surprise you. Getting unstuck means that you are going to start living life on your terms, rather than just gliding through every day on automatic. That you have a special power within, that you know that things are going to get better for you. You know that you can handle this. And because you want some different kind of results in your life, you've got to decide that I'm going to go all out.
We decide which moments define us. Will it be the moment we get knocked down? Or will it be the moment when we get back up? This is when we show the world what we're made of. Listen to me, you can't give up. If it was easy, everybody would do it. But if life's got you down, I need you to get up and prove them wrong.
We're all being tested in life. Some of us later, damn it. Others find a way around the motherfucker. Family's inevitable. It's about keeping the motivation to keep moving forward on the same exact path that you just failed.
People who operate in darkness, they are relentless. They never stop. And we have to make it our full-time job to fight back. You got to put your foot down. You got to get an attitude. You got to get fired up.
You gotta get up, look at the man in the mirror and go, this is what I'm doing today, whether they like it or not. I don't give a f. Everybody's focusing on the stupidity things that they got on the news. Don't watch the news no more. I give you the real news. You know what the news is about today? You, and how you're gonna conquer the world.
And don't be disturbed because no one else can see it. That's not unusual. You've got to learn how to tune out the critics outside and the critic inside.
You need to change on how you look at those fucking people, what they say to you. You gotta start armoring your mind. Start preparing yourself for what's out here in life. Build confidence, build self-esteem. So if people talk shit to you, it doesn't fucking matter. That's great power in adversity. If you're a victim of any kind, Make sure you use that to become successful. It's about going that extra step when you fucking can. That's what builds self-respect, self-esteem, self-discipline, all those things. Learn to not let life hijack your brain. Don't allow all these things to make you a lesser person. You must own your mind. Don't let life own yours.
Everybody has a defining moment. Whatever your defining moment is, own it. And say to yourself, after today, I will do whatever it takes to become everything I can become.
Raise the bar on yourself. Challenge yourself. Expect things to be great for you because you're going to show up differently. Fight like a warrior and die a legend.
Yeah, let's go, guys. Instagram's on the description. You're gonna sauce up UJ. It's such a shame. There was a long chalk here as well. I wanted to take this long, but it was a 5:35 the entry, so I was just getting up. Let's see what happens. You know, it's yeah, it can go either way, guys. This one price already reacted from it. It's just as nice as the short one, basically. It's just as nice as this short one, so no idea really. Let's see, let's find out what happens. Man, I have to get this. I'm sorry guys, but today I'm gonna have to be getting ready for work while I'm on the stream. Guys, quick one here. For you guys that haven't seen, I have a patron, a little patron, right? So people that are learning, trying to learn SMC or flags, or you know, your strategy is not working for whatever, you know, sign up for the patron. You get to see my trading plan. You get to see me teaching you how to use the trading plan, and it's only £20 a month, right? So everything I've learned cost more than £1,000, and I'm giving you for £20. So if you're struggling, yeah, and you don't have the money to pay for expensive course or whatever, sign up to the patron, where I will teach you and give you my WhatsApp, so you can, if you have any questions or anything, I'm there to help you. Okay. So how's everyone today? True. Explain EU. Okay, I'll explain. And yes, they had 2 break-evens, 2 or 3 losses, man. Unbelievable. These break-evens are getting ridiculous. Right. So basically, yeah, we're on a downtrend on the EU. Bearish trend, yeah. Sorry for all this mess, guys. But yeah, we're on a bearish trend. Price mitigated this order block here. We created a 50-minute chalk, which basically means for me that I can take longs and shorts, okay? And yeah, price is gonna look to come to this order block here or this one. Just a question of which one will it come to first, right? So I would have loved to take the long and then take the shorts to hedge. That way I would be in a much better position, being able to trade both ways, but yeah, that has not been the case because obviously trade happened really early. But so I can only trade one way, and now we just have to hope essentially that it will go to this one first rather than this one, which is actually quite likely that it can come down here, then break, something like that. That's what I am kind of expecting. News. Where is the news? Not here. There's news. Here we go. Today's what? Thursday or Wednesday? Thursday. Okay, let me write this GBP news. Alright, let's wait and see what get tagged in. Oh man, so much to do today. 1:30. Put my stop loss here because I can react from this order block as well. Oh, I didn't expect it to just break through this one like that. I expected at least a little bit of a reaction. Jeez. This next candle will be quite important. not the best reactions, I must say, but these equal highs here look pretty annoying. Whoa, 33 people already. Freaking hell, guys. That was quick. All excited. It's trade today. Bro, you are the liquidity. Clearly, man. I definitely am. I wanted to take a long as well here, but 5:35, I wasn't up yet. I was just getting up. Unfortunate. I would have taken both trades, but we're gonna have to wait. What's up, Brixton? Everything's good, man. Everything's good. I do need to start dressing up for work though. God, I have so many messages and stuff. One sec. Man, I have so much things I have to do, guys. I have this I have to create video content for this website, for two websites basically. For two websites, I have to create video content for two websites to help people learn to trade. I have to have a lot of stuff to do. I'm working until like 7 p.m. every day. I'm streaming right from 6 a.m. I go to the gym, I come home, yeah, I read like 10 minutes and I go sleep, I pass out, I eat, pass out. So yeah, so basically, right, I haven't even been having time to tell you guys. That's how crazy it's been right now. Man, if I was to take another short here, it's too risky, man, so I'm not even gonna bother doing it, you know. Well, price swept this, liquidity here, and if it makes a choke here, could look for sales. But I'm gonna take better setups, man. I'm gonna wait for it to come to this sort of block here. Yeah. Okay, wait. Yesterday I took like 4 trades, I think, or 4 or 5 trades. I had 2 break evens and 3 losses. 3 losses, man. Had this break even here, then you know the news pushed it down. This trade, there was I wanted to take the trade here and here, split risk, right? I want to take here and here, but because I'm on my phone, guys, and I'm working, I didn't have time to actually split the risk and put one here and here. I just had time to put one here, and so then price went, and I thought, okay, I'm gonna take the scaling of this one. So I lost 1 trade. This one I didn't take. I cancelled it because after it tagged in and it went, I was like, no, it didn't tag me in. But either way, if it did tag me, it would have been another break even. This one, okay, this one's a bit complicated to explain, but basically, okay, it's a bit messy. I'll explain to you on the weekend, guys, this trade and why it sometimes works. But yeah, split risk in this one, and split risk in this one. This one was break even. This one was a loss, so I only lost like 0.125%. And then, you know, price took this, made another chalk, looked really good, but yeah, price decided to it's just a shame there was no winning opportunity yesterday at all. You know, we had this reaction here all the way up here and we didn't get another chalk, and we had this lovely chalk here and we didn't get mitigation. You know, we didn't get mitigation here, we didn't get mitigation on the 2 best order blocks. So it's kind of a shame, isn't it? It's a bit of a shame. Why don't I trade phantom style, bro? Because I have my own style, you know. I have my own style. Everyone has their own style. Nobody has to trade someone's style, right? Oh, okay, so basically, yeah, it's like a website where they for beginners, where they sign up for the website. I believe it's quite cheap actually. They sign up for the website, and on the website they you can learn. You have like different types of courses you can learn, and it's like it's very they manage to make it very cheap, and it's like, yeah, so basically I have to sign up. Oh wait, I have an account. Wait 1 sec. I don't need, I think they're still setting up the website, so I can't really show you guys, I don't think. Hold on. Yeah, like, oh, there we go. If I remember my password. The thing is, mine is different from you guys because mine is, let me just check. Yep, it's different from mine is different from you guys. But let's see. So basically, go on a website, yeah, and you have like all-in-one. It's an all-in-one platform where you can, you know, it's mainly, I'd say, for all levels, but it's like you learn in a way that it's like it's like going to a library, yeah, and then you have loads of books that you can choose from, and you kind of like pay a membership for the library. Does that make sense? But it's kind of like that. And then you can choose whichever book you want, so you can choose whatever course you want. Essentially, you can go for beginner, intermediate, advanced, blah blah blah, and you can have a look, you know, and yeah, it's kind of like that basically. It's kind of like that. But they're still setting it up, guys. I believe they're still setting it up, so it's going to take some time, I think, for them to do it. Yeah, EU came to sweep this liquidity here, guys. Okay, this equal highs here. So there's like a couple of websites. I think this seems like it's gonna be the new thing, you know. Oh my god, I still have like a stiff neck. You can share your markups. Look, if you go on Discord channel, yeah. If you go on my Discord channel on here, you can join it, and you can post whatever you want, guys. Really, it's pretty, you know, a lot of the guys talk on there. I'm trying to get my stuff together here. Discord's not working? Really? Send another one, try this one. It's the same. IG, my IG is on the description, bro. This is my IG if you guys wanna follow as well. Someone shared something with me. Hold on. What time frame is that, Lamar? What time frame? 30 minutes, is it? If you tell me, I need to know which time frame. I think it's 30 minutes. Oh. Guys, I'll just share this with you so I can give you guys an example, yeah? Hope you guys can see this quite okay. So basically he's asking if this is okay to take a trade. Now this order block is fine, okay, you can choose this order block, but he said he's waiting for the 1 minute chalk. You know, he's waiting, but if you notice it's quite far gone. I believe this is the order block. Actually, wait, which is I'm confused now. Yeah, I believe this is the order block he's talking about. So he had it marked out like this. Yeah. And he said he's waiting. Yeah, he said he's waiting for the 1 minute chalk here. Now this has gone way too far. Like this is, look how much it's gone. It's way too far gone for you to be waiting for 1 minute here. You know, I do wait at times, as you can see here. For me, this would be classified as a late chalk or late flip. Essentially means, like you notice we had the chalk down here, yeah, and price, instead of mitigating it quickly, it took some time, yeah, and when that happens we want to see this sort of movement like it did, you know, create liquidity like that, because you have much more of a chance of the trade playing out basically. But obviously if it's this far gone, imagine, you know, from you want to take a trade here but price is all the way up here, that's just too risky, you know, that's just too far gone. Okay, I hope that made things clear. Bro, up and down, which side is going the market? How the MFF channel is going? Not the best of starts, I must say, but yeah, we literally, since I started it, there's only been 2 winning opportunities. One, we didn't get tagged. One, I was in, price went only to 5R, and the news pushed it back up to break even. So honestly, there hasn't been anything I could have really done. Perhaps on Tuesday. This was yesterday, Tuesday. What actually happened Tuesday? I'm trying to remember now. Hold on. Yeah, Tuesday was the day that we didn't get tagged in to this trade here. Yeah, we didn't get tagged into this trade. Yeah, there was nothing else on Tuesday. It's been a pretty shit week, man. I'm not gonna lie to you. But we would that basically means we're gonna get that opportunity on NFP, man. I just hope that I don't have a meeting when that happens, because we're gonna take a nice trade on NFP, and it's after NFP, guys. Okay, usually it has been after NFP, not before, like the last time you guys saw. I'm a bit confused, bro. You're sending me a trade from today? No, the reason for this trade, there's no reason for this trade that you just sent me, Lama. Like, it's just like, you can't just take trades like this, bro. You know, I mean, in a sense, yeah, in a sense that that's something else, but I don't like to trade like that. But if we had this order block, like I said, yeah, that there was an entry here, so this would be the first chalk entry, yeah. This here, after the breaker structure here, this here would be a reduced risk confirmation entry, okay, and then this here would be just, you know, whatever, following order flow, whatever. But I don't personally like to do that. Personally, I don't. I just like to stick to one entry style, and to me that's my favorite one. Guys, I have to get dressed for work, okay, so give me a few minutes, because yeah, let me just think what I'm gonna do here. I'm gonna wait, guys. I'm gonna wait for high probability, more high probabilities setup because you know what, man, this actually is a high probability setup now that I'm just thinking about it. Like, it's very clean. It's very clean. But man, it's just that taking 2 L's in early like that is not the thing I want, you know what I mean? Okay, good. Okay, so if it comes up here, yeah, like I said, something like this, unless it comes up quick. If it comes up quick, then it's not that bad. Well, let's see. Just give me a second, guys. I'll be right back. not gonna take this trade because this here is too steep. So I'm gonna cancel this trade. I wanna see price do something like this, a bit more, kind of like here. Now, right guys, I'm gonna have to make my breakfast soon as well. Sorry, it's been a bit of a... What YouTube background is this? What do you mean what YouTube You mean what YouTube music? It's called Lo-Fi. It's crazy, man. The Asian session, there has been so many good trades, dude. Like so many good trades. It's kind of annoying, you know. Like every day now, it's been so many. I look at the Asian session, I'm just like, there's so many good setups. You know, like look at this here. Like such an easy. There's so easy setups as well. Like. Look, chalk right there, entry, man. Mitigation of this order block here. Like just the extreme of this swing. Man. And then obviously you would have scaled in with the other one here. Ooh, it's made liquidity for me now. Excuse me, sorry. Is it lo-fi or lo-fi? I don't know if it's lo-fi or lo-fi. You just I don't know. Well, I don't know the right way to say. English to English, like please. Oh my god, I'm trying to like get the voice of Google to like pronounce it, but whatever. The point of it, okay, so basically this is how I like to trade, okay? This is how I like to mark up my point of interest, okay? So obviously, right, obviously when for example we break structure, yeah, okay, let me explain it in a different way. When we break structure to the downside, yeah, now for me, once that happens, I put a premium and discount zone, okay, and then I just trade the highest order block with imbalance of each swing. So for example, there isn't any good examples right now. Just give me a sec because I might take this trade now. So for example, I would love to show you a good example, but love to show you a good example, I really would. Okay, look at this, right? Notice how price broke structure here. So you have this order block here. Okay, that broke the structure, and perhaps this one. Now price came, it made a 15-minute chalk. Okay, and then it mitigated this order block here. It's not a good example, to be honest. Basically, I mark up the extreme order blocks with imbalance after the break has been made. Okay, this trade is not happening. I wonder if price would go to this entry again and then bounce back up, because that tends to happen on the hey bro, I was watching your video when you gave up after losing your funded account from 6 months ago, and I'm happy to see you still here. Respect. Thank you, man. Yeah, rough times, very difficult times. Yes, 50k MFF. Low fi, low fi, low fi, low fi, low fi. You missed trade, see Discord. Okay. I definitely didn't miss anything to do with my plan, bro. But I don't do trading signals because someone's asking, sorry. Where's the trade that I missed? Someone said I missed a trade. Bro, that's not a valid trade at all. How is that a valid trade? Like, you took a trade here. That is crazy, bro. Crazy. I would never take a trade there. Never in my life. Just having a look at some screenshots someone sent me. Man, when you guys send me a screenshot, can you please do the thing where you can see the time frame? Like, because I'm looking at it and it's so confusing. It's so confusing, guys. Because you're sending me the screenshots, but I don't see the time frame. So I'm like, what time frame is this? And I'm having to figure it out. Like, so you like to select the wicks a lot of the times, yeah? Oh my goodness, Dev. Oh my goodness. Now I see what you mean. Now I see what you mean. Yeah, I can see that. Yeah, I can see that there. Why you take that trade actually. But for me, like I said before, like for me, the mitigation, this here, just took too many times. But I guess if you selected the wick, that is a nice trade. If you selected the wick like this, man, doing the wicks is just not for me. I don't know why, man. Because sometimes I'm like, I can do a wick, but then, do you know what I mean? But this wick, I guess, is very valid. Look at the size of this wick. It's very clear, that wick, isn't it? Man, that's a good trade. That is a good trade. If I traded wicks, I would have taken this trade here. Look, chalk, and I'd put the entry here because you can see it's a big imbalance gap. Stop loss would have been like 2. That is a very nice trade. Now the reason why this trade would be valid is because you have, look, you have liquidity here. See, clear liquidity for price to go. So very nice trade, Dev, man, very nice trade. But this doesn't meet my criteria, guys, because simply because I don't mark up the wicks, like just the wicks, if that makes sense. Like he had this marked out like that, but I don't do that. I prefer to actually have proper order blocks. But very good trade, man. Why don't I invest 2 to 3k US dollars in personal account and build it? Well, maybe because I don't have 2 to 3k to put in an account, you know. But if you, Mario, if you want to give me 2 to 3k, we can split the profit. Feel free, I would be happy to do that. I'm just kidding, man. I'm still waiting for my thing to be sent. And they keep claiming copyright on my videos. I'm gonna sue them in a minute. Content playlist, analytics, and I'm waiting for them to send me my letter. Which they haven't sent. Okay, I'm quite disappointed by that. So I can receive my, you know, my monies. You know what price actually ended up doing? No, I didn't come back to the entry, but it usually tends to. So. Guys, I have to make breakfast. I'm sorry. Just give me 5 minutes, okay? Cook some eggs. I'm not even that hungry. And I'm gonna make another coffee because I bought some sweetness. Yeah, I was like, man, I need to stop drinking sugar because just to get in better shape, and now not like it's affecting my shape, you know what I'm saying? But man, tastes like shit, honestly. What's up, you're sick? Man, not gonna lie to you guys, we haven't had a good start, but I can't sit here and say, man, I did bad, because I didn't do that bad. Like, you know, it's just there was literally this week there has been two winning opportunities. Like I said earlier, one, there was no tag, but that's not really my fault. Price just didn't tag me in. The first one we were in 5R profit, and then it was like half a pip from my TP, and then news went, and I didn't actually realize that there was news there, even though I had it written down. But obviously I'm at work and stuff, so sometimes I miss these little details, and then it took us out a break even. So apart from, yeah, last 2 days, man, just hasn't been anything that meets criteria, and is a winner. There hasn't been anything last couple of days. So yeah, basically, man. Save 3 to 4 months. Funded challenges are made for losing. It's not adequate environment to trade. You are stressed and the rules are stopping you to show your potential. Personal account risking 1 to 2%. Even you lose 5 trades and all your 6 will get you in profit or break even. Funded, you lose the account. I don't know, man. Just I don't know, like building an account myself, it just doesn't seem. First of all, it seems like it's gonna take ages, right? That's the first thing. It's gonna take years to build a decent size account. Like, you know, it's gonna take years. Second thing, while that account is building here, it's just like, how do I explain? While the account is building, I can't take anything out, really, can I? So it's like, what's the point? I'm just here building this account when essentially I'm not, you know. USIC I learned from TFO 2.0. But if you want, you can sign up to my patron on the description, and I teach everything I learned there for 20 £20 a month. So it's up to you, you know. And I also share my trading plan, so you don't have to do that work yourself. I'm not just teaching you the concepts, I'm teaching you something, not just the concepts, but also something that works. Whereas most people teach you a course, they don't teach you their trading plan, they don't teach you every single thing you need to know, they just teach you concepts, don't they? They teach you the strategy, they don't teach you how they trade it. With my patron, I teach you how I trade a strategy, every little intricate detail that I have, that I know, that you don't have to backtest hours and hours and hours to find out. I tell you every little thing, I tell you on there, and everything there is there for a reason, you know, just to make everything easier for you, so you don't have to spend hours and hours backtesting. You simply have the trading plan there, you have everything you need to know there, and you just backtest that and you'll see the results. And then you practice that and boom, you're done. Within less than a month you'll be able to be profitable. You know, that's what I think every that's what I think every trading coach should do, in my opinion, you know, rather than teaching you something and then keeping all the little gems to themselves, which is what every single one kind of does, don't they? Well, it's up to you guys, you know, the offer is there and shall remain. Now hopefully, what would be nice is that I get enough patrons so I can actually don't have to work, and I can just stream even more live for you guys. Now not only will you guys, yeah, we'll see though, we'll see. I'm gonna leave this here just in case. As it comes back, because it's made equal lows now. Just like that. I'm gonna make breakfast, I'll be right back. How many hours have you spent backtesting your currency? Bro, how many hours I've spent backtesting this strategy? Not gonna lie, SMC, yeah, takes most people at least, like, I'd say 8 months to learn and master it, mate. And just to make profit, understand and make profit is like, I don't know, a long time, man. Like 6 months, yeah. This is how much I backtested basically. I passed my challenge of verification after trading it for 2 to 3 months. So, you know, you can be the judge of that, should I say? Be the judge of that. How much I backtested? A lot, man. Every freaking day, every hour of the day, you know, that I could, that was home, that was, you know, I'm not someone that messes about. When I want to learn something, I just give everything, man. So as you can see, you know, just like I am here every morning to stream for you guys, discipline, dedication, you know, resilience. Rah! 2 months. How are you getting on? I'm still making the X, guys. We've got about 20 minutes left of live. So, how are you guys getting on? Where you go to work? Yeah, to work, man. I know. Things didn't quite work out, did they? Guys, does anyone have any questions and they need help with something? Thanks, Akizi. I'm kind of like a salesman. It's very fun. It's been quite tiring lately. We've been finishing quite late. But you know, it was kind of like what I needed, really, you know. Something like that. It's nice. It's good for your character, I think. It's very good character building. So guys, who here is on the way to work right now while they watch the stream? Things will work out eventually as long as you don't give up. I failed 2 years straight but never gave up. And here I am finally growing my personal account about 80%. Nice, bro. Well done. I'm not gonna give up, man. Because you know, this is what I love to do. Thank you for sharing with us, David, man. Thank you, thank you. It would be nice to hear your story on if you go here on the Discord that we have. You have like your story here, so people post their stories. It'd be cool to hear more of you guys' stories, man. It would be cool. So where's Jerome and OK? Where are they at? You're on your way to sleep. It's too... Why are you guys sleeping so late? Are you a student, David? David, where are you from? Poland? Yeah, kind of like a Polish name. Morning, Jack. You just woke up, Jack. Where have you been? You know, I used to play... You play Tibia? I used to stream Tibia with Punyo. I don't know if you know Tibia and Punyo. Oh, you've been trading. Jak się masz? Dobrze. Dziękuję. Dzień dobry. I know a lot of Polish words. Cześć. Co tam? Jak się masz? Chebres? Yeah, I don't know how to pronounce that, bro. $2,000? Did you tell her you can buy two 200 FTMO evaluation accounts with that? Did you tell her that? Pomeranian. I tell you what, good thing I didn't put the Google thing on here, because once you press P-O-R, especially, you know, something else comes up, and that wouldn't be very suitable for the stream. That would not be very suitable for the stream. Oh, that's a cute dog. Those dogs are so cute, man. These little, they're always so nice and sweet as well. Yesterday we had our first, should I say my first student, my first proper student, you know. I signed up to my Patreon, gave him my WhatsApp, you know. I would have liked him to actually talk a little bit more to me, you know, ask more questions, but he hasn't asked any questions. But I hope he's digging into the videos, and you know, I give him my number if he needs anything. I'm here. They're usually more than 5k. You're joking. 5k? Those dogs are 5k? You have to be joking. Man, I have a friend of mine in Spain. He's been selling dogs for, I don't know, the past like 5 years. He has like a kind of like a big farm of American bullies. He must be stacking. Paid 3k for your dog. I mean, I think my parents paid 3k for my dog. I mean, she's amazing. She pretty, I guess it's a great, actually, it's a very good investment, to be honest. Dogs are amazing. You know, dogs, I've always had dogs my whole life, actually. Apart from a small period, but I love dogs. In my office we have a French bulldog as well. She's so funny, man. She's just running around playing with everyone in the office all day. She must love it. She must love it, honestly. She's living the dream. Never bored. She gets when do you see like a puppy now? So she's like playing around, playing with everyone, and then next thing you know she's sleeping for a couple of hours. She's got toys everywhere. Yeah, I have a French bulldog and 2 mini schnauzers. The mini schnauzers are just so boring, bro. I'm sorry, like my dogs are so boring. Those two, like they are just the most boring dogs, bro. I think one of them has like some sort of problem because she gets scared of anything and everything. Like one time I took her out by herself. I was like, oh, I'm gonna treat you, take you out by yourself. Maybe she just stood there shaking in the middle of the field, like shaking, scared for her life. I just stood there, she would not move. I'm thinking, what is wrong with this dog? Like, caught a sell, I'm guessing from here, no? It's actually a good trade, bro. It's actually a very good trade if you just took a trade from here. It's actually a sick trade. I used to take trades like these. I used to have that in my plan. It's actually a very, very good trade, bro. Especially because look, you have liquidity like this, look. It's a very, very good trade. If that's what you took. What's up, trends? What's up, bro? Oh, I was meant to watch something, guys, with you guys. I just remembered. I meant to watch something. So we have a guy on the Discord that he basically made this program.
Inner Circle Trader, aka ICT, the most popular Forex teacher on the internet. Thousands of people swear by his teachings. But is his system actually profitable? Does he actually have an edge? To find this out, we did 100 trades backtest on bar replay to see whether or not ICT's teachings offer an edge, and the results were truly eye-opening. Welcome to Backtest Bull. Our goal
yeah,
is to
he's actually a nice guy, man. We have him on Discord, and he created all of this himself. So while he was creating, he was in the Discord with us. So it's pretty cool that he did this. Look, he did it himself. He coded it himself.
An edge in the market. Before we begin, don't forget to click.
So basically, yeah, you're backtesting. It's really cool. So you're backtesting, and then it calculates everything for you, the results. It's a very cool idea that what he did. Like, that's pretty awesome.
And subscribe button for future videos. ICT teaches many styles.
How are you going percent on the week? Ooh, let's not talk about that. What time frame you looking at? Or you just don't. Well, doesn't matter. Did you check the new rank updates? No, I didn't. However, I don't trade rank. I don't play rank, and I don't have time to play now.
And for one style that has zero discretion to get a fair and more accurate backtest that is possible and what we think is achievable during live trading. So here are the rules we followed. The system has almost zero discretion, therefore you should be able to easily spot trades and instantly know whether or not it is a trade you should take or shouldn't take. Now, here are the rules we look for. Firstly, 15-minute liquidity.
So I guess it's like a chalk, right?
To be taken, which is, here's the types: trend line liquidity, equal highs and lows, and Asian session highs/lows. We only trade during London session, and we aim for at least 3 RR. So here you can see we've marked out session high, session low.
You know what's funny, yeah? Every time you guys were talking about ICT, and I'm like, man, explain it to me, and you guys, watch the other videos, watch the other videos, bro. If you wrote what this guy just wrote on my screen, that's all you guys had to do, man.
Types, and also this
so annoying, man. Seriously, you tried to, you all explained it so bad, but you didn't give me like a good, like this. Like, if you give me like 3 criteria like this is 3 criteria, this is the easiest thing to follow.
Relatively equal,
you know, I can have a look,
high.
but people were telling me to watch freaking all the videos and watch one of them. Okay, fair enough, fair enough. Yeah, I guess there are.
Liquidity grab, which is step 1.
Let's
now
see.
we're on the 5-minute, but we saw it get taken on the 15. Then we look for a market structure shift or break of structure on the 5 minute, which this indicator here, fractal break imbalance here, you can put it on your chart. These green dotted lines signal the breaks of structure. And then
that's such
we
a
enter
good
on a
indicator.
3 minute, a 2 minute or 1 minute FVG, which this FVG by the King Nephew Sam highlights your FVGs automatically. So instead of entering here on the 5 minute, we look for one on the 2 minute. So now I'm going to walk you through an example before we take the full 100 trades and then get the results. So let's get into this live example. So here you can see liquidity was taken.
Yeah.
Now we zoom past. Over there, the dotted line was passed. We use wicks because price is not candles. Price is a line.
Okay.
We just view it as candles to make it easier to understand. So this we count as a break. We drop down to the 2 minute and look for these FVGs to enter off. So for instance, over here,
What the hell?
we'd place our position, stop loss above the high of
That
the
much?
liquidity that was taken, and we aim for 3 RR,
That'll take fucking ages. How many pips is that?
right? And then let's just zoom past this and see, does it hit TP? And you'll see, yes, it does. Now we're going to go through, do 100 trades. We're only going to fast forward through the next trade that comes because you guys aren't here to have your time wasted. So yeah, we've done most of the other pairs. So now we're going to fast forward and go from there. Okay.
And these indicators are really cool. You don't have to do anything with these indicators. What the hell? Can we have it a bit slower? Okay.
As you can see, this second trade has also hit TP. Alright, I've finished the back testing. So here's the pairs we used. Feel free to pause the video to go through. And as you can see, all winning trades have the lock and all losing trades don't have the lock. Now we're going to use our tool that we've developed for traders who use TradingView to backtest to get the results of our backtest. So now we're going to show you the steps. It's as simple as click on manage layouts, enable chart sharing, make sure all winning trades have the lock, all losing trades don't. Go to your TradingView chart URL, which you can see here. Make sure you use the website and not the desktop app to backtest. Click to copy this part after chart / go over to backtestbull.com, link in the description. Click on add finish backtest.
Look how cool this
Paste
is.
your chart link. If you've done it correctly, the drop down here will appear. Click all if you'd like to get the backtesting data from all the charts, and you can pick one if you'd like to get it from only one. This will organize it in chronological order that they occurred to give you a more realistic sense of your backtest. Give it a name, ICT FVG 100 trades, and just simply click get backtest. Voila, and here you have the results. The question we asked ourselves at the start of the video is ICT's teaching profitable and do they offer an edge? In short, yes. This strategy is really high performing, and over 114 trades, which is a very good sample set the past few weeks that TradingView did let me go through on the pairs I had mentioned to get the 100 trades. This is the result overall. We had a strike rate of 51.7%, which is really good considering average RR was 3 at least.
I gotta go any minute lap now, guys. Let's just have a look at this. Someone said It's locked. What does that mean? I don't think I can use it. Why is it locked? Why is it locked? What the hell? What's this? What the hell? What the hell is this, bro? Why are there chocks in the middle of nowhere? What's this? What's this box? Explain, quick. I don't have to draw anything. Fucking hell, thank you. I'm gonna use this. Look, I don't have to draw anything. I just don't get why it's oh, maybe it's a choke on other time frames, right? Maybe it's a choke on other time frames. Man, this is crazy. I mean, why is it not a choke here? What the hell? And why is it not choke here? Man, this choke doesn't make, the chokes are not making sense, and neither are the brick and market structure on the 1 minute. They don't really make sense. Most of them are not making sense. Guys, I really have to go. On the minute 15, it's quite accurate. Sub DC, no, we didn't. We failed. We failed. I made too many mistakes, DC, bro. Too many mistakes. And now, look what happened, DC. I had like 8k, 8 to 10,000 saved up, yeah, from January, and I was like, I'm gonna get my account back. And I passed 2 challenge. I passed, how many challenges did I pass? I came like 2% shy on like 2 challenges from passing. I passed 2 challenges. I failed God knows how many, and I failed then 2 verifications. Yeah, man, it's been rough. It's been rough. So then I had to get a job. So now I have a job again, so I can't stream all the time, but I'm trying my best to like stream before work. So like I stream like 6 AM to like 7:30. I'm about to go now to work. And then yeah, man, just gotta try my best to master, you know, my trading, bro. But yeah, it's been a bit of a things didn't go quite to plan, but you know, doing my best, the best I can to get there. If you have anything to say, DC, say it quick because I need to go. say it quick. Yeah, like there's something I'm doing that's not working, but I don't know if it's like I made mistakes. Like there were times where I broke rules. Like I'm just not that consistent, man. Like for example, I failed, yeah, then I went to the demo, and then I went and made it 11% in like 7 days, like with proper risk management, you know, and everything. So it's like, do you know what I mean? Alright, DC, bro, you can message me on Instagram, bro. Message me on my Instagram, it's on the description. I need some advice, bro, from pro traders, you know, successful traders. I'm just gonna brush my teeth, guys. Make sure you don't quit your job again until you get your second payout. Start off with 5k account, past that and get payout. When a process doesn't work, change the process. You can get hop on 100k account. Sometimes we need to see that when one process doesn't work, we need to change it up. Yeah, I don't know what to do, man. Yeah, I'm a bit. We'll see, man. Just we'll have a chat, DC. See if you can give me some good advice, bro. I know you've been trading, you've been doing well, and I have just been so inconsistent. I'm like this, like this. It's literally like this. It's literally like that. It's literally like that, man. But okay, I'm gonna go to work, guys. Love you all. Thank you for coming through. Hit the like quick, hit the like on the video before I end it. We're getting more and more people now in the mornings before everybody gets to work and people go to sleep, people that are sleeping at 5 AM and stuff. Hit the like so we get more and more people in, because it's only a short period and I'm gonna probably be a bit late for work, but you know, it's what it is. Alright guys, thank you. I'll see you all tomorrow. As always, I love you all. Thank you, Med. Thank you guys for tuning in.